So number 11 asks you to state the domain of all the following functions. Just looking at letter A, you can say, okay, this is a quadratic equation. All quadratic equations have a domain of negative infinity to infinity. B, you have to do a little bit of math for because it is a square root. So with all square root functions, you want to say 5x minus 1. You're going to say it's greater than or equal to 0. So you're going to solve as usual, get the x by itself, add 1. 5x is greater than or equal to 1. Divide by 5. X is greater than or equal to 1/5. So your domain, because it's got the equal to sign underneath, it's going to be a bracket, 1/5 to infinity, because it's everything greater than that. And then the last one is a log function. You know that x has to be greater than 0. So it's just 0 to infinity. You don't really have to do any math on this because it's just x. The key thing to remember is that square root equations, they're always going to be greater than or equal to. Log equations, they're always just going to be greater than.